Hey everyone, in today's Fusion 360 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group timeline features in Fusion 360 so you can keep your designs clean, organized, and much easier to manage when projects start getting complex. If you work with lots of sketches, extrudes, fills, and other operations, your timeline can quickly become crowded. Grouping features helps you collapse related steps into one neat section, which makes editing later much faster. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Fusion 360 design where you want to organize your timeline. Once your project loads, look at the bottom of the screen where you will see the timeline. This bar shows every feature that was used to build your model, including sketches, extrusions, patterns, fillets, and more. When designs grow larger, this area can become difficult to navigate, which is exactly why grouping features is so helpful. To begin, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then start clicking each timeline feature you want to include inside the group. You can select sketches, bodies, extrudes, or any other operations that belong together. Keep holding Control while selecting until all the features you want are highlighted. Once they are selected, click on any one of the highlighted features. A menu will appear. From this menu, click Create Group. Fusion 360 will immediately create a new group in the timeline. Next, type your name for your group. Choose something descriptive like base features, mounting holes, or final details. After typing the name, press Enter. The selected features will now be placed inside a collapsible group. You can expand or collapse this group anytime, which makes the timeline much easier to read. This is especially useful when working on large parametric models because you can quickly locate related steps without scrolling through dozens of individual features. Using groups also makes editing safer because you can visually separate stages of your design process. If you ever need to modify something, simply expand the group and edit the feature you need. And that is how to group timeline features in Fusion 360. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.